pit. Got my barbecue shoes on.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today, Pitmaster Jacob is cooking some Pastelón on the pit.
All right.
You gotta check
What's going on,
this out.
everyone? So today we are making a dish called Pastelón. What that essentially is a Spanish take on lasagna. And instead of noodles, we're gonna be using plantains. That's right, you heard it. We're gonna fry these up. These are of the sweet variety, not the green. Want to make sure these are really ripe. And then what we also got here is some ground beef, 80-20 chuck, some onions that are diced. We got some olives here, Spanish olives with the pimentos in them. We got some crushed garlic here. This is essential right here. This is something called sofrito. This is an amazing mix of peppers and culantro and cilantro, but it's essentially essential for everything in Spanish cuisine. Rice, to soups, to meat dishes. We also got a little marinara sauce here we're gonna use on the bottom to make sure nothing sticks. And then some key Spanish seasonings here. One being a couple packets of sazon with the achote in there. And then also adobo. All right, so we got our Weber going here. We got an indirect setup. In the back, we got our hot coals. To this mix, we're gonna add our garlic, put that all in there, and then we're gonna add in our olives. Now these olives you want chopped up first, as you see. And give them another little chop in there too while you're at it. All right, to this mixture, we're gonna add in our sazon. This is gonna add a little color to your beef. And then a signature achote flavor. And then we're also gonna add in our sofrito. And a little adobo. Give it a mix. Now this is essentially going to be your beef mixture that you're going to use in your lasagna, in place of what you would typically use in an Italian lasagna. All right, set that aside. All right, so the next step in this is to prepare your plantain noodles here, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to open these plantains up. Last one. All right, once you have the skin off your plantains, what you want to do, you're going to make these strips. Like so. And just inspect the thickness of these strips here. So I can get about 3 to 4 strips per plantain. So, what we're gonna do here next is we're gonna assemble our lasagna here. First, we're gonna add a little marinara to the bottom. And this is just to make sure nothing sticks when we go to cut it out of here. Give it a nice shake. Bingo, like so. Now, first layer is gonna be some plantains. And what you wanna do is you wanna make sure you cover the entire bottom. Bingo. Nice and tight like that. Then we're gonna come in here with some beef. We're gonna layer that on top. All right, here's about half the mixture in the first layer. Then, one thing I failed to mention in the beginning is that we're gonna need lots of cheese. And I'm using mozzarella here. And I wanna use a very good high melting cheese here. Give it that nice pulse, like a Monterey Jack would go well. Here's some queso blanco. Now, I'm gonna come back in here with our plantain again. Another layer. Bingo. Now, come back with that other half of our meat mixture. Kind of hit the top with it. All right. Now you want to hit it again with some cheese. Look at the side of that thing. Ooh, layers of plantain, meat, cheese. Let's melt it. So what we're gonna do, take our lasagna here, our pastelón, add it to the indirect side, cook it like an oven. Let's let that cheese melt, get it all ooey gooey inside. All right, let's take a look at this. Let's see what it looks like here. Oh man, look at the bubbling action on this. Guys, you gotta get in on this. Let's take a look. All right, let's take a cut into this. Let's see what we got here. Guys. Oh, ooey gooey, awesome. Let's get in on some of this.
My stomach just went to Memphis.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.